Welcome to all in this class. Today I will teach you about asexual reproduction. In the asexual reproduction, certain body cells of parents undergo repeated mitotic cell division to form two or more newer of the same kind. Mitotic cell division. Two type of cell division: mitotic and meiosis. Mitotic cell division to form two or more new organisms of the same. Asexual reproduction takes place by 6 different methods. These are fission, budding, spore formation, regeneration, fragmentation, vegetative propagation. We will now describe all these methods one by one. Let us start with fission. First method, fission. In this process, a unicellular organism means organism made by one cell. Organism made by only one cell is called unicell. In this process, means fission process, a unicellular organism splits into two or more new organisms. Fission is of two types: binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission. In binary fission, the parent splits into two organisms. Means binary fission means split into two new organisms. Split into two new organisms. Example: amoeba reproduced by binary fission. Other examples: Paramecium, Leishmania, etc. Multiple fission. In multiple fission, the parents split to form many new organisms at the same time. Example: Paramecium. Paramecium. One paramecium split into more than two new paramecium. More than two new paramecium. Multiple fission. Paramecium reproduced by multiple fission. Type of asexual reproduction. First type, second type, first type of fission, second type budding. Budding. In budding, a small part of the body of the parent grew out as a bud, which then detaches and become a new organism. Example: Hydra yeast. Third method, a spore formation. In a spore formation, the parent plant produces hundreds of microscopic reproductive units called spores. What is a spore? Reproductive units are called spores. Under favorable conditions, these spores germinate and produce new plants. Example: Rhizops mucor. Fourth method, What type of asexual reproduction? Regeneration. The process of getting back a full organ from its body part is called regeneration. Getting back a full organ from body part is called regeneration. The simple organisms like Hydra and Planaria show regeneration. Now, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Fifth method of asexual reproduction, fragmentation. Fragment means breaking piece, khand, tukda. The breaking up of the body of simple multicellular organism into two or more pieces on maturing, each of which subsequently grows to form a complete new organism is called fragmentation. Example: Spirogyra, sea anemone can reproduce by fragmentation. After maturing, split into many parts. Each part grows and to form a complete new organism. This method is called fragmentation. Sixth and last method, vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation means reproduction by vegetative part, means body part. The vegetative propagation, new plants are obtained from the parts of old plants like a stem, roots, and leaves without the help of any reproductive organs. Example: green grass grows in the fields after rain from the dry old stem of grass, present in fields by the method of vegetative propagation. Other example: bryophyllum. Bryophyllum reproduce by leaf. Money plant reproduce by a stem. Potato reproduce by bud. Here the topic asexual reproduction is complete. Next day we teach about sexual reproduction.